Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we are diving into a comparison between two unique washing machines designed for compact living. On one side, we have the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft portable washing machine, known for its fully automatic features and larger capacity. On the other, we have the portable washing machine with a 16L capacity, which boasts a foldable design perfect for travel and small items. Let's see how these two machines stack up against each other in various categories. The COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft portable washer is a fully automatic machine, meaning it handles everything from filling to draining and spinning without any input from the user. In contrast, the portable washing machine with a 16L capacity requires manual intervention for water management, making it a semi-automatic option. This difference greatly affects the user experience, especially for those looking for convenience. When it comes to capacity, the COMFEE offers a significant advantage with its 1.6 cubic feet size, allowing for larger loads of laundry up to 11 pounds. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is designed for smaller, lighter items with a capacity of only 16 liters, which is roughly 0.56 cubic feet. This makes the COMFEE a better choice for regular laundry needs, while the smaller unit is more suited for delicate items or travel. In terms of design, the COMFEE is a freestanding unit with wheels, making it somewhat portable but still requiring dedicated space. In contrast, the portable washing machine features a foldable design that collapses to just 6.5 inches in height, making it incredibly easy to transport and store. This makes the bench lower unit ideal for those who need a washing solution on the go, such as campers or travelers. In conclusion, both the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft portable washing machine and the portable washing machine with a 16L capacity have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a powerful, fully automatic washer that can handle larger loads, the COMFEE is the way to go. However, if portability and ease of storage are your top priorities, the foldable bench camera unit is an excellent choice for small, delicate items. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.